Hello Sanibonani, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Thenjiwe and you are absolutely welcome to my channel. Guys, today I just want to tell you a story time. So this is a story that really happened to me, and I was telling a friend of mine the other day, and he thought it was so hilarious, and for me it's never been hilarious, so I thought let me share it with you guys. So this guy that I was with, we were in a full-time relationship, we were engaged, everything was going well, we were going to be Mr. and Mrs. And then he decided to cheat on me. But it's not the cheating, it's how he did it. One day I came back from work earlier than I was meant to, get into the house, go upstairs, open the bedroom, he's in bed with another woman. What does the guy say? He looks at me, I'm standing by the door. He looks at the lady who's sleeping next to him. He's like, Thenjiwe, how can you be there and be here at the same time? This is all witchcraft. This is all confusing. Can that real Thenjiwe please show herself, because I'm not going to stand for this. This cannot be. I cannot have two Thenjiwes in one bedroom. Are you the real Thenjiwe or are you the real Thenjiwe? Dude got up, got dressed, and went past me. And I was so shocked. I didn't even do anything. Lady got dressed, went past me, and the lady didn't even look anything like me. She was bigger, she was shorter, she was light-skinned. Looked nothing like me. But he left me so confused. I was like, eh? What's happening? And he really, really blamed us. He was like, no, this has to be witchcraft. This is witchcraft. This cannot be happening. I cannot be seeing two Thenjiwes at once. How can you be by the door and be on my bed at the same time? Can the real Thenjiwe please show herself? I'm not going to stand for this witchcraft that you are doing. He left. He left. Have you guys ever been cheated on, and what were your stories? I did get back to the guy. I'll tell you another day. I'll save that story for another time. But I did eventually get back to him, because I was just so upset that how does he leave me so confused and almost feeling guilty, like it's my fault. How can you be there and be here at the same time? Anyway, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe and press the notification button. And please do stay safe during the lockdown. I know it is not easy, but it is what we need to do. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.